Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, me and mine. If this is the first time you've seen one of my videos, please do subscribe, check out my other videos. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back. Now today guys, I've got some Jamaican castor oil that I'm going to be reviewing. I'm going to be calling this the castor oil challenge. Now the reason I'm doing this is because castor oil apparently has a good reputation for hair growth, okay? And I want to try and bring back my edges. Now, you see this guys? See, this happened during my teenage years and my early 20s. Okay, when I was younger, I wasn't really into my own hair. I really did not like my own natural hair, and I used to weave my hair. I used to use a lot of extensions, and this is the result, a receding hairline, okay? I do believe Loxin saved my hair, but as you can see, my hairline is very thin. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using this castor oil religiously. Okay, I'm going to be applying it to my hairline to see if it can grow back. Now, I'm aware, obviously, the growth isn't going to happen overnight. It might be a year or so, but I'm going to be using this religiously, all right? Now, I got this castor oil. It's not shop bought, okay? I bought this from a good friend of mine, actually an ex-colleague from my old workplace, okay? His dad lives in St. Elizabeth, Jamaica, and he actually is producing this oil himself. He ships it to England, and they've got a little family business. So I'm going to get some details with regards to where you can source this castor oil from. And guys, I'm going to be doing this religiously, and every couple of weeks I'll be showing you my edges to see if there is any regrowth. Okay, now bearing in mind I am 36, you never know, these roots might not come back, they might be gone for life. But to be honest with you, I've never actually taken the time to try and regrow my edges. So let's do this now. Yeah, let's bring back these edges.